Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. And my mathematical guru came through again and made a 3 loop, and he's calling it a twisted loop. So to do this, instead of rotating it half the distance of the 45, we're going to rotate it 1/3 of the 45, which is 15. So we're going to Control D and make a duplicate and rotate it 15 degrees. And then Control D and rotate it 15. And then you get equal parts. To me, it's a little bit confusing to really, unless you have something to go through, because basically it's two shapes that are equal and then one shape that's like backwards and not equal. So if you're going to try this, just pause my video and just kind of look at that on the screen. But if we do the exact same one, we need to cut through here to make the blue. Don't cut through here, but then cut through here. And then what I would go ahead and do is, let's go ahead and we're going to make it the same color he did. Well, I must have not picked the right spot. So that goes under, yeah, there we go. So that's correct. Now we need the yellow, so we're going to take the virtual segment delete key, and the yellow is going to go through here, but it's going to stop right there, but it's going to also go underneath here and actually go all the way to here. So we need to take these out. Take the Smart Fill tool. We'll go ahead and do yellow. And yep, that's right. Now we'll take the red, and the red needs to go through here and through here. So we're going to take the red, and before I was thinking about, whoop, didn't change it to red, because you're going to group these colors together anyway. Let me back up, get that red now, and red. And that stops right there. So you got a backward slow S and then two little hoops. And then what you do, if I have it correctly, is Control G, those colors, double click on it and move it to the center of the, and if you have snap to guidelines, it ought to snap right to it. And then rotate it 45 degrees. Control D, I didn't make a duplicate, rotate it 90 degrees. And then just keep going all the way around. That's pretty cool. I never really thought about adding a third one. So I'm going to name this, I think he called it a twisted loops. Let's see what it looks like without an outline. We're going to right click no outline. I think it actually looks better. Well, it's kind of hard to say. It looks better with or without. Be your call. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.